Do you want to learn how to take your Discord usage from this to this? Well, today's video is for you. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to completely debloat Discord for better performance. Today, I'll cover some hidden tweaks and simple settings that'll slash your CPU and RAM usage and make Discord run way smoother on your PC. But with that said, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is close Discord via Task Manager. So right click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. And then inside of here, close out Discord. And you can close Task Manager and hit Windows key and R on your keyboard and type in %local app data %. Then click on OK and then come down to the Discord folder right here and delete this update file, scroll setup. Then you also might have a Discord updater file, delete that. You can also delete packages, and you also might have a downloads folder, delete that as well. And then head into this app folder right here. And the first thing we're going to do is create a shortcut of the actual Discord application, because if you use the shortcut that's like on your desktop, this is actually an updater file. It checks for updates and you do not want your Discord updating. So right click on it and click on create shortcut at the bottom. And then I would just rename this to just normal Discord. And you can right click on it and click pin to taskbar and unpin the old one that's just the normal Discord. And you can also drag this to your desktop if you feel like it. Then scroll up to the modules folder, and inside of here delete Cloud Sync, Dispatch, ERL Pack, Game Utils, Crisp, Spell Check, and you can also delete Discord RPC. And then go back and go to locals at the top, and these are all the languages on Discord. So for me, mine is going to be this EN US, but if you speak more than one language or you want to keep any of these language for any other reason, just do not delete the .pack with your language. So for me, so hit Control A on your keyboard and this will select everything, and then hold down your Control key and click on your language and then just click delete, and it'll delete everything in here because you do not need it. And then you can open up Discord. Then once you're in Discord, go to user settings, and we're going to start at the top with authorized apps. This is just an extra thing. You do not need to do this, but if you don't trust any servers in here that say that they can pull you into their own servers, so for example on Revox it says join servers for you, any servers you see like this, just deauthorize them if you do not trust them. And then come down to where it says clips and make sure you turn off clipping and allow your voice to be recorded in clips. I'll turn this off too. And then keep scrolling down and go to appearance. And I recommend just using the default ash theme or this dark theme, because using one of these nitro themes is going to add more delay. And I would also keep the same in-app icon. And for me, I just keep this all on default. And then go to accessibility. And turning off roll colors will actually give you less usage, but I personally like it and it's not a huge difference. And inside of here, I would uncheck all three of these. And stickers, I would press animate on interaction, just because if it starts auto playing, you're going to get a slight performance hitch. And then come to voice and video and click video at the top and scroll all the way down and uncheck video hardware acceleration. And then scroll back up and go to debugging and uncheck debug logging and click OK. It's going to restart your Discord. And go to notification settings and uncheck enable desktop notifications and enable taskbar flashing. And then click on advanced, uncheck hardware acceleration, and then click changes and restart. And then come down to game overlay and uncheck everything in here. And then once you've done this, your Discord is completely debloated. And if we go to task manager, now as you can see, it's only 400 megabytes of memory usage, which is literally 1/4 of before I was using 1600 megabytes. So I highly recommend you guys do this, because it's going to give you a lot less input delay in your games, and it's literally just free performance. If you want your system running as clean as Discord now is, check out RisenTweaks.com for the best computer optimization tools on the market. Our tools are designed to lower input delay, boost FPS, and optimize your entire setup for peak performance, not just Discord. Well, with that said, thank you for watching the video.